Hello creative people, today I am going to making a wonderful tutorial for you. This tutorial actually we make for iPhone X. So we started and now we select the file option and making a new workplace. Wide 1280 pixel and height 720, resolution 300. Okay, and we are now selecting the iPhone X and now unlock the layer and also select the magic wonder tools and click the white option, and now we press the delete. Okay, we are moving this image in the new workplace. Okay, we now select the move tool and make it the middle, and we are now rename this background iPhone X. Okay, you select first the pen tool and then you select the path option, and you see this place, this colorful place, and we select just that place because we selecting this place for we including our island and many things in here. Okay, select and control and enter. So copy this colorful place. Now I'm placing the island. Yeah. Yeah, we are now decrease the opacity for a good view. Yeah, it's now renaming good place. Okay, we're making it copy, so Control J. Now I'm working with the under island and clipping mask in the colorful background. Okay, now I'm working with the above, so masking and select the brush tool, increase the size, make opacity 100%. Okay, brushing. It's now look better. And now I am including the beach picture, and also make it masking. Just we take the little bit option from here. Okay, masking. Make something smaller. And I am working with the camera raw file with the beach picture. Now I'm increasing the temperature and exposure. Okay, clarity something increase. Okay, guys, and now I'm putting the model and remove the background. So I am using the magic wonder tool. It's in the good place, and now I'm including the parachute. And it's keep the wonderful view because colorful parachute, and it's make good because background is white, so colorful parachute is looking so good. And speedboat include in the iPhone X. We're working with the speedboot, and it's masking and masking something for adjustment. Okay, and it's now look good. And now I am including the airplane. And airplane also need a negative place, so because this is the sunny day, look like a sunny day, so select the Gaussian and decrease this opacity. Okay, now I am going to do something adjustment with camera raw file, and it's looking so better. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video and stay with me. Do subscribe in my channel for next update.